Okay. Screen is visible, Malika.
Yes, ma'am.
तो लुक बैक इन एंगर का थोड़ा सा हम लोग ब्रीफ कर लेते हैं, सेट करते हैं. So first of all, before starting this play, so we need to focus about the characters, बेटा. Okay. तो कैरेक्टर्स कौन कौन से हमारे, बिकॉज दिस इज योर लुक बैक इन एंगर प्ले है हमारा. तो उसकी जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जिम्मी पॉटर. जो जिम्मी पॉटर हैं प्ले के मेन कैरेक्टर है, मेन हीरो बोल सकते हैं आप इसको, कि मेन हीरो ऑफ द प्ले. जिम्मी पॉटर मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ द प्ले. एलिसन पॉटर उनकी वाइफ है, जिम्मीज की, है ना, जिम्मीज वाइफ. एंड क्लिफ लुइस फ्रेंड टू बोथ जिम्मी एंड एलिसन. दोनों के फ्रेंड हैं, वो अच्छे फास्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं. देन आफ्टर हेलेना चार्ल्स, एलिसन का जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, हेलेना चार्ल्स ऑल्सो एलिसन बेस्ट फ्रेंड. देन आफ्टर कर्नल रेडफिन, एलिसन के फादर है, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी आर सीइंग हियर, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द प्ले. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जॉर्ज बॉर्न जो है, उनका जो बॉर्न पीरियड है 12 दिसंबर 1929 है. देन आफ्टर वी कैन से सिंपली ड्रामाटिस्ट एक्टर, ही इज अ ड्रामाटिस्ट एक्टर. स्क्रीन प्ले राइटर ऑल्सो जॉन जो ऑसबोर्न है, ही इज अ ड्रामेटिस्ट एक्टर, स्क्रीन प्ले राइटर, थिएटर मैनेजर एंड एंटी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट राइटर, आइडेंटिफाइड विद द ब्रिटिश लेफ्ट विंग. तो बिकॉज ये जो प्ले जब कंडक्ट किया गया था, जब रखा गया था, तो उस समय सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद में इसकी थीम रखी गई थी. उस समय हमने ये देखा था कि कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही थी, मतलब बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स, और लोग कितने फेस कर रहे थे प्रॉब्लम्स को, है ना. तो उसके बेस पे ये थीम रखी गई है कि लुक बैक इन एंगर. ठीक है, इतना क्लियर है. देन आफ्टर वी कैन से द थर्ड प्ले इज ऑल्सो लुक बैक इन एंगर है, वॉन हिम फेम एंड एक्सेप्टेंस. देन आफ्टर लुक बैक इन एंगर क्रिएटेड ए न्यू सेंसेशन, एक न्यू सेंसेशन क्रिएट करता है. दाउ मोस्ट क्रिटिक्स अटैक द प्ले एज unpromising. Then, after the play became popular mainly because it gave theatrical voice to the frustration, disillusionment, and of the young generation of British. है ना, ब्रिटिश में जब यंग जनरेशन में जब प्रॉब्लम.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Good afternoon, students. Am I audible? Am I audible to everyone? Multiple people. Students, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My PPT is not. Yes, PPT is visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Stop recording. Again, I'm start. I think it is okay, I think. So yes, class, today we are going to start. Our topic is tense. Topic is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. So first of all, just tell me about the tenses. Can anyone tell me about the definition of tense? Can any student tell me about the definition of tenses? Yes, I'm just asking to all of you. Please tell me about the tense. Can anyone tell me about the tenses? Yes. Yes, Prachi. Saloni, Prachi, Aditya, yes. Definition?
Tense shows action which is held in present, past, and future.
Okay. So this thing is clear कि we are talking about the tenses means here we are just discussing about the word tense. Okay, the word tense very well came from the Latin word. First of all, you must understand about the कि the word tense came from the Latin word means tempus. Tempus का मतलब क्या है? Which means time. Okay, here we are talking about the present time, past time, and the future time, right? So the tense of a verb shows time of an action or event. The word tense refers to a form of verb that indicates different shades of time. So both time and tense interact to verb, where tense is the form of verb and time is the meaning of verb. So student, first of all, just before starting this topic, you must understand about the form. Okay, first form, okay, second form, and the third form. Okay, this is a very important thing कि your form should be clear. First form, second form, and third form, right? So next is your 12 tenses. So you know very well कि here we are talking about the three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, in present tense we are having four types. Okay, in present tense we are having four types. Past tense also we are having four types, and future tense also we are having four types. So students, the most important thing is we need to understand about the 12 tenses. If we understand about the tenses, so we can easily frame different sentences, different forms, and different forms of a verb we can discuss, right? So the most important thing is we need to understand about the different types of different types of tenses. So with the help of tenses, yeah, with the help of time of an expression, we can understand different form of a verb of tenses, right? So right now, then after, now we are just talking about the past tense. So you know very well, we are just talking about the past time of an expressions, right? So then after structure, so student, first of all, before starting past, present and future, our structure should be in our mind, okay? Which tense and which structure, which form, past form, second form and third form, which structure we are using here, okay? If we are not aware about the structure, if we are not aware about the sentences, if we are not stuck, if the things is not in our mind, which structure we are using, either we are using present tense or past tense or future tense. So before starting any tense, our verb, our structure, our form, okay, sense, okay, should be clear on our mind. So in past tense, first of all, we are talking about the simple past. So in simple past, subject, okay, you know very well, singular form, plural form and the v2. V2 is like your verb ki second form, right? So use the simple past to express. Now we are just talking and discussing and taking overview of the just selected points, selected and the you can say simply selected points, or you also say about the attractive points from tenses, okay? We are not reading all tenses. So student, first of all, the most important thing is like we are here, we are just discussing about the spotting errors, okay? So we need to discuss about the spotting errors, okay? So now you know very well, time has changed. So we will just discuss about the exam oriented question, exam oriented tenses beta, okay? So tense is very simple, you know very well. Fine photo. So the most important thing is your spotting error should be clear in your mind, okay? Correct or incorrect, like you can say correct or incorrect. Like, so use the simple past to express the idea that an action started and finished it in the past, right? So here you can see examples also. So I saw, so you can simply say ki now we are just using here second form. So I saw a movie yesterday. Then after, again, the simple past can also be used to describe a habit which stopped in the past, or facts which are no longer true it, okay? So can have the same meaning as used to. Example, I studied Japanese when I was a child. The simple past can be used with a duration which starts and stops in the past. Example, I lived in Brazil for 2 years. So students, you just need to focus about the forms of a verb and just which tense we are using. So this is the most important thing during tenses. Okay, now we are just talking about the time of an expressions, right? So past continuous, you know very well. Now you know this is our progressive tense. Something is going on, okay? Which something is going on, like you right now I am taking your classes, I'm taking your class and you are just attending my class, right? So this is the something like continuous, okay? So structure plus was plus were, was, verb and ing, okay? This is the most important thing, first of all, okay, to use with the situation that happened in the past but interrupt by other by other situation. Example, you can say singing the rainfall. Use the situation number two, situation that happened in the same time in the past. An example, they was doing homework in bedroom while cartoon cooking in the kitchen. So something like continuous tense is there. So ing is mandatory. So then after past perfect, so you can say simply past perfect, something has completed, something we have done. Okay, something we have done. So what we will use here in past perfect, had plus v, verb ki third form. So hadn't, had not in negative sense. We use the past perfect tense fairly often in English. a completed action before something else in the past, something we have completed, something we have started, something we have done it. So this is the completed action before something else in the past. So when we arrived, the film had started. आने से पहले ये काम हो चुका था, something we have started. Then after past perfect tense, to explain or give a reason for something in the past. It had snowed in the night, so the bus didn't arrive. Something that started in the past and continued up to another action in the past. So when he graduated, he had in London for 6 years. So student, I have told you about the since and for, है ना, since, uses of since and uses of for. Since for the fixed movement, okay. Then after the past perfect continuous structure, has subject plus had been, we plus ing. We normally use the past perfect continuous for something we have done, we had done several times up to a point in the past and continue to do after that point. Examples you can see, they had been talking for an hour before you arrived. She hadn't been studying very hard. How long had you been waiting for me? So students, the most important thing is we need to focus about the practice. Okay, if you're practicing of present tense, past and future, then you can easily understand the structure easily. Okay, so the most important thing is your practice. Okay, if you're practicing about your tenses, about your structure, so these these sentences, framing of sentences, you can easily you can frame out. Okay, different sentences you can make. Okay, so first of all, understand tenses. Okay, then after present tense, very well about the about the present tense. Present tense is very important. All tense are very important, but we need to understand all tense minutely and carefully. Okay, so you can simply say in simple present tense, to express an event that takes place at the at the present moment. So the most important thing is we are just expressing. We are expresses an event, we are just to express an event that takes place at the present moment. Okay, here we can use different examples. He reads, she reads. Okay, in 10th class, she see how it rains, there goes the bell, here comes Ashok, here comes the postman. So present tenses, like in this tense we can make different sentences. So the first use of present tense, like present movement. Okay, to express what movement, present movement, to express an event that takes place at the present moment. In second, also you can understand about the, to express a general truth. Okay, so general truth
Well,
is also we can count in present tense, to express a general truth or a permanent truth. Okay, general truth and the permanent truth, universal facts, universal truth, scientific facts and proverb. These things always we will always make such kind of sentences in present tense. Okay, we cannot change because these are the permanent structure, permanent fact. We cannot add or we cannot remove anything here. Okay, so these are some facts in present tense. So
मैम
then after next you can
मैम
say hello.
मैम जी
Yes, yes,
यस मैम, ये ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा है, नीतीश आरिफ ये सब मैसेज कर रहे हैं कि
someone
ज्वाइन
is
नहीं।
waiting.
यस मैम, ज्वाइन
Okay,
नहीं हो पा
just
रहा
a minute, just a minute.
है। ओके मैम।
Okay, multiple students are waiting. Oh my god.
यस मैम, बहुत सारे
Okay,
सब वेट कर रहे हैं।
now okay, I think they have joined.
यस मैम, धीरे धीरे ज्वाइन
They
तो
have
लगता
joined.
है।
So I hope everyone is getting properly what I'm saying here. Understood or
यस मैम,
not? समझ में आ रहा है
अंडरस्टूड
सभी
मैम।
को
Good
अच्छे से
afternoon, ma'am.
टेंस?
Good
यस
afternoon,
मैम।
ma'am.
Very good afternoon,
Yes, ma'am,
Nitesh.
समझ
Very
गया.
good afternoon. You came so late.
नहीं मैम, ये
चलो,
सब बहुत पहले से वेट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा
अच्छा
रहा है
मैम
मैम।
वेटिंग में
ज्वाइन
थे.
नहीं हो रहा था मैम.
अच्छा ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा था एक्चुअली, पीपीटी आई हैव शेयर्ड एंड पता नहीं I have not seen. So right now, चलो ठीक है, समझ में आया इतना. So students, here we are talking about the tenses. Okay, time of an actions. You can say present time of an action, past time of an action, and the future time of an action. Okay, so we need to discuss about the tenses. Okay, right now, students, we are just talking about the different structure of tenses. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है सभी को, है ना, कि हम लोग क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. आज हम लोग टेंस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. हम टेंस, और टेंस का मतलब जो टाइम है ना, ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइम्स की हम बात कर रहे हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एक्शंस की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स और वर्ब्स की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट. सो दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो प्रेजेंट टेंस देखो, वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम लोगों ने क्या डिस्कस किया था, यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट की बात की थी, यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट की बात की थी, साइंटिफिक फैक्ट की बात की थी, जनरल फैक्ट्स की बात की थी, जो कि प्रेजेंट टाइम को शो कर रहा है, राइट. सो टू अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. So first of all, students, to express an event, any event, okay, any event that takes place at the present moment, this is called the present moment, present time, and present tenses. So examples, you know, there are a lot of examples. You can also set different examples are there. If you are practicing again these tenses, because there are 12 tenses, you know very well present tense, past tense, and future tense, but every tense has four structure, each tense. So we need to focus on the structure, and also focusing on the structure as well as practicing. Okay, when you will start practicing on these tenses, so you know, you can frame out different sentences, right. So in second part, to express a general truth, जनरल ट्रूथ हमेशा प्रेजेंट टेंस में आएगा. वी कैन नॉट चेंज, वी कैन नॉट से कि मैम ये इसका जो सेंस इसका पास्ट में, तो वी कैन ऐड और वी कैन रिमूव. सो टू एक्सप्रेस ए जनरल ट्रूथ और ए परमानेंट ट्रूथ, यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ और साइंटिफिक फैक्ट, हमेशा बच्चों ये किस में आते हैं, आपके प्रेजेंट टेंस में आते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स आप देख सकते हो, जैसे हम अर्थ की बात करते हैं, ठीक है, द अर्थ मूव्स राउंड द सन, नेचुरल फैक्ट है, वी कैन नॉट चेंज. ओके, वुड फ्लोट्स ऑन वाटर, दिस इज ऑल्सो नेचुरल फैक्ट. 2 and 2
Milk
मेक
is white,
4.
ma'am.
वॉइस आ रही है बच्चों मेरी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 2 and 2, makes 4. The earth is round, we see with 4 eyes. The soul is immortal. The path of duty is the way to glory. हम बोलते हैं the path of duty is the way to glory. Where there is a will, there is a way. That is that is a proverb. That is a proverb. We cannot change. बच्चों की इसकी जगह हम ये यूज करें. Honesty is the best policy. बच्चों है, set है, defined है, destined है. We cannot actually change it. Okay. This is what here we are just expressing it, to express a general truth or a permanent truth, universal truth or scientific facts, proverbs. Okay, so we cannot change anything. So वर्ड्स की बात कर लेते हैं. वाटर बॉइल्स 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, पता है हम लोगों को. ब्यूटी नीड्स नो ऑर्नामेंट, ये बच्चों नेचुरल फैक्ट है कि ब्यूटी नीड्स नो ऑर्नामेंट. ओके, ए लिटिल नॉलेज इज ए डेंजरस थिंग, ये बच्चों बोलते हैं ए लिटिल नॉलेज इज ऑल्सो ए डेंजरस थिंग. सो दीज आर सम फैक्ट बच्चों इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो देखो एक बार मैं अगेन रिपीट कर दे रही हूँ. स्टार्टिंग से जो बच्चे लेट ज्वाइन किए हैं, दे कैन ऑल्सो. Yes. Okay, student. So today we have started the tenses, right? Tenses we have started. We know about the definitions, time of an expressions. Okay, had been taken from Latin words. Okay, so 12 tenses also we have discussed. 12 tenses, right? Then after 12 means बच्चों in 12 मतलब कि we are just taking four parts. That's why we are saying 12 tenses. So don't be confused about the ma'am why you are talking about the 12 tenses, because each tense has four parts, four types parts. That's why we are saying here 12 tenses, right? Then after past tenses, past action, past form. So you must understand about the forms also. So after completed this class, you will send me 100 forms of verb, right? फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म एंड थर्ड फॉर्म, राइट? सारे बच्चे मुझे ये फॉर्म बना के भेजेंगे, ठीक है? कोई बच्चा ये नहीं कहेगा मैम समझ में नहीं आया, ठीक है? तीनों फॉर्म मतलब फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म आपके टिप्स पे होनी चाहिए बच्चों. देन यू कैन इजिली draft, then you can easily frame different sentences. If your forms is clear, structure is clear, tense is clear, so you can make a story, you can make any paragraph, you can draft any sentence. So this is the most important thing is tenses. Okay, whatever we are communicating, whatever we are sharing and whatever we want to say, so beta हम लोग tense का use करते हैं. Yes or no, नितेश?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया सभी को?
Yes, ma'am.
आदित्य, विशाल, सारे बच्चे समझ में आया सभी को?
यस मैम.
है ना? yes, ma'am. तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? व्हाट मतलब वी आर जस्ट एम्फेसाइज किस पे कर रहे हैं हम लोग? फोकस किस पे दे रहे हैं? टेंसेस पे. फोकस किस पे दे रहे हैं? स्ट्रक्चर पे. फोकस किस पे दे रहे हैं हम लोग? यानी कि डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स पे, कि हमको फॉर्म्स आनी चाहिए. फॉर्म्स आती हैं, टेंस आता है, तो वी कैन इजिली विदाउट taking without having any hesitation, without having any problem, we can make any sentences, we can make any story, we can draft anything if our tenses are clear, our forms are clear. And the most important thing is students are what is this we just want to convey? Communication. Okay, so easily we can do that कि हम at a time what we just want to convey, right? Structure also we have discussed, समझा चुकी हूँ मैं. रिवाइज एक बार देख सकते हो आप लोग कि started and finished in the past form, use the simple past to express the idea that an action. So you can see example also, है ना? I saw a movie yesterday. Simple past, you can say again past simple. The simple past can also be used to describe a habit which stopped in the past, or facts which are no longer true. It can have the same meaning, and examples are visible. I studied Japanese when I was a child. So the simple past can be used with a duration which starts and stops in the past. So I lived in Brazil for 2 years. This is also past form. Past continuous again, continuous matlab continuous mean class ki something is going on, something is in progress. Okay, कि कोई चीज हमारी प्रोग्रेस में है, वी आर जस्ट डूइंग समथिंग. ओके, तो कॉन्टिन्यूस हमेशा ऑलवेज बच्चों आईएनजी का यूज करना है ना? सभी को पता है, वैसे जनरल बात है, जनरल टॉपिक है, ऐसा नहीं, इट इज नॉट एक्चुअल टफ टॉपिक. बट स्टूडेंट्स अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग टू यू कि वी आर नॉट फोकसिंग ओनली स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑल थिंग, वी जस्ट नीड टू फोकस अबाउट स्पॉटिंग एरर्स. जो बच्चों आप लोगों के एग्जाम में आते हैं, जो हम लोगों के कंपटीशन एग्जाम में आते हैं बच्चों, वो सिंपल ही पूछता है आपसे. सबको पता है, एवरीबॉडी नोज अबाउट द वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म एस और ईएस, सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, आईएनजी, वी3, सबको पता है. ऑब्जेक्ट सबको पता है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या होगा, वर्ब क्या होगी और उसका ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होगा. एवरीवन नोज अबाउट इट, अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टेंस. बस नाउ द थिंग इज दैट कि बीइंग ए बीटेक स्टूडेंट, और you must understand about the spotting errors कि कौन सा हमारा which one is correct or which one is incorrect, right? So just go through with this PPT, okay, and start practicing on different sentences. ठीक है, प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, सेंटेंस बनाते रहो, कोशिश करते रहो कि ये बार टेंस कौन सा हमारा. ठीक है, रटना किसी को भी नहीं है, मगअप किसी को नहीं करना है ना. So then after again perfect, again had verb की third form, hadn't in negative. Okay, we use the past perfect tense fairly often in English, a completed action before something else in the past. So you know very well, perfect means ki in perfect tense we are just focusing about this something we have completed, something we have done. Okay, when we arrived the film had been, film had started, because this is your past perfect, right? So in past perfect tense, to explain or give a reason for something in the past. It had snowed in the night, so the bus didn't arrive. Something that started in the past and continue up to another action in the past. This is the most important thing. So when he graduated, he had in London for 6 years. Structure again, past perfect continuous, subject plus had been plus be plus ing. We normally use the past perfect continuous for something we had done several times up, to a point in the past and continue to do after that point. Okay. Example, they had been talking for an hour before you arrived. बच्चों आपको बताया था शायद मैंने एग्जाम्पल कि समथिंग लाइक सिंस मीन्स फिक्स टाइम कि आई हैव बीन टेकिंग क्लासेस सिंस मॉर्निंग. तो सिंस इज ए पर्टिकुलर टाइम. ओके. For is a period of time. Okay, suppose I am saying to you, I have been taking classes, for 2 hours, for 3 hours. This is called the things has not decided, not particular, not fixed actually. For 2 hours, कौन से 2 घंटे पता नहीं किसी को, राइट? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द फॉर. अगर हम बच्चों सिंस मॉर्निंग, सिंस मंडे ऐसे लगाएंगे तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द सिंस. वहां सिंस का यूज करेंगे और जो पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स है वहां फॉर का यूज करेंगे, राइट? Then after tense, again after present tense, we have completed, subject, SOES. First we use the present simple when something is generally true. है ये हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. सनराइज इन द ईस्ट, पीपल नीड फूड, ये सब बच्चों क्या है आपके सिंपल टेंस है और ये हमेशा आपके प्रेजेंट टेंस में होते हैं, राइट? देन आफ्टर वी यूज इट इन दिस फर्स्ट एंड दिस जीरो conditional. If it rains, I won't come. If you heat water to 100 degree, it boils. Third use is for habits or things that we do regularly. We often use adverbs of frequency in this case. Examples: she gets up at 7 o'clock every day. How often do you study English? These all are present tenses, right? So we need not to repeat again these things. These are very general things. You all know about it. So fourth point is we can use this tense to talk about the future when you are discussing a timetable or a fixed plan. School begins at at 8 tomorrow. When does the class finish? We need to use this simple tense with stative verbs. This soup taste is great. I promise I will help you. Then after again continuous, present continuous, subject verb plus ing, we use the present continuous tense to talk about the present. Right now, just need to focus about the present moment, present time, present moment. Okay, for something that is happening at the moment of speaking. I'm speaking English language, so this is happening. Something's happening now. I'm taking, and you are just attending this class, right? So I'm speaking. I'm not studying. Are you sleeping? Now we are just talking about in present. Okay, right now what are you doing? Are you studying? Are you sleeping? Are you doing? And right now what we are doing, right? So perfect subject plus has, have, singular, has, plural, have plus be third to use with the situation that already happened but continue to the present and may happen in the future also. So structure of present perfect continuous: has been, have been. We use the present perfect continuous to show that something started in the past and has continued up until now. Up tak we are just discussing about the okay about that point. So I have been reading this book for 2 hours, but this is not the fixed time. बच्चों की for 2 hours कौन से 2 घंटे? We are not sure about it. अगर हम ये बोलते आई हैव बीन रीडिंग दिस बुक सिंस मॉर्निंग, दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स कि वी आर कि हम लोग सुबह से पढ़ रहे हैं. सो ओके, so then after present perfect continuous, you can also use the present perfect continuous without a duration. We can use the words lately or recently to emphasize this meaning. Example: she has been watching too much television. So if we want to emphasize something, so we can use such kind of sentences. We can frame it. We can frame. Then after future, subject plus will, shall, I'll do it, I'll do that thing. Okay, मैं करूँगा, गा है, गी है, like that you can say. Okay, you can understand to use with the situation that will happen in the future. Okay, that will happen in the future and have adverb of time to indicate time. So you can take any example. Will go to study at America in next 2 months. Will he or she will go? So we can take different sentences. Then after will be, we use the future continuous to indicate that we will be in the middle of doing something in a specified time in the future. ओके कहते नहीं बच्चों, हम ये चीज हम इतने समय में करके भेज देंगे, वी विल बी फिनिश दिस टास्क यू नो बिटवीन योर until or you know within. So this is the you know specified time in the future. Example, she will be sleeping when I visit her, we will not be having dinner at home, will you be coming to the party tonight? Okay, these are the future continuous tense. So structure again, subject plus will plus have plus third form. The future perfect expresses the idea that something will occur, something will happen before another action in the future. It can also show that something will happen before a specific time in the future. I will have eaten breakfast at 8 o'clock tomorrow. So in second point, second event, if there have two events, the first event will use future perfect tense and second event will use present simple tense. So this is the most important thing. The first event will use future perfect tense and second event will use present perfect tense. Example, I will have cleaned the floor when my mom gets home. Structure again, future perfect continuous. Structure will have been plus present participle. We used to project ourselves forward in the time and to look back. It refers to events or actions in a time between now and some future time are unfinished. It is most often used with the time expression. Example, I will have been eating breakfast for 30 minutes at 8 o'clock. So now students, I think overview of tense we have cleared. Overview, because we are not saying कि we have completed, yeah, you know today in class we have completed or finished our tenses. So we are not saying like that कि we have completed 12 टाइप, बिकॉज टेंस इतना छोटा नहीं बच्चों, कभी काफी चीजें मिसिंग है बच्चों इसमें, है ना, पार्टिसिपल्स हैं, कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं, है ना, बट नाउ वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग ओनली ओवरव्यू ऑफ टेंसेस. सो आई होप जनरल ओवरव्यू वी हैव टेकन, यस और नो, जनरल ओवरव्यू.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, अब थोड़ा सा आपके
Yes,
कुछ
ma'am.
क्वेश्चंस है ना. सो नाउ आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू सम यू नो 5 to 10 क्वेश्चंस. तो आप यू जस्ट एनालाइज योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, जस्ट एनालाइज योर यू नो कि आप कितना आपको समझ में आया है ना टेंसेस में. तो आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टिंग विद सम क्विज. सो जस्ट टेल मी, so just you can take chat box is also available है ना students are seeing. Yes, you can take, yes, okay, आप लोग chat box use कर सकते हैं. okay, आप chat box में आंसर लिख के भेज सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो just analyze. yes, yes, answer what tense of the given sentence. okay, so Jan will have been staying in Rome by next year. Just give me answer, please do fast. Just a minute. Yes, yes class.
Yes, ma'am.
Which tense?
Future
I'm
perfect
saying to you,
continuous, ma'am.
answer what
फ्यूचर
tense
परफेक्ट
of
कंटिन्यूअस,
sure.
परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस है
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
सही है सबका?
Yes, ma'am.
All done?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please you can just give me your answer in chat box also. अपने आंसर तक देखते जाओ, इवेल्युएट भी करते जाओ साथ साथ कि हमने कितना सीखा, राइट. देन आफ्टर नेक्स्ट इज फटाफट जल्दी करो. विच टेंस?
Present tense, ma'am. Simple present.
वेरी गुड नितेश, वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट इज
Simple past, ma'am.
पास्ट
ऑल
सिंपल मैम.
स्टूडेंट. चलो वेरी गुड, सिंपल
Simple
पास्ट,
past.
पास्ट टेंस, वेरी गुड. इसका मतलब सबने अच्छे से ओवरव्यू लिया टेंस का, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट इज योर, यस, डू फास्ट.
Future continuous tense, ma'am.
Future
फ्यूचर
continuous.
कंटिन्यूअस टेंस मैम.
वेरी ओके,
Future
ओके,
continuous.
देखते हैं. सही है बच्चों.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट.
प्रेजेंट
Present
परफेक्ट
perfect
कंटिन्यूअस,
tense, ma'am.
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस.
Past perfect continuous. Present perfect
प्रेजेंट
continuous.
परफेक्ट
Present
ओके,
perfect
चैट
continuous.
बॉक्स
Yes,
में
ma'am.
मुझे
Yes,
चैट
ma'am.
बॉक्स
Yes.
में देते जाओ आंसर. Just you can use your chat box. Next, yes, do first.
Spock हो गया, Spock. Spock.
Spoke. Okay, okay, okay. Just read carefully, my dear student. Read carefully. Read twice. Okay. विशाल का सही है. देखो, इतनी जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी किसी को भाई, आराम से. नेक्स्ट.
Did not होगा मैम.
ओके,
Didn't. Ma'am didn't.
No. Did not.
गुड.
Yes, ma'am. Did not. Didn't.
नेक्स्ट. आराम से, टेक योर टाइम.
Lived होगा मैम. Lived. Lived. हाँ, lived.
नेक्स्ट.
I called Baz. Yes, ma'am. I called Baz.
डन.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट. विशाल मिश्रा, करेक्ट.
Does close.
डन क्लास.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट. चलो, तो आई होप clear, students,
Yes,
everything is
ma'am.
clear. So please
Yes,
revise
ma'am.
all these things again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute. So I hope सभी को अच्छा लगा होगा, समझ में आया होगा. So after this class I'll share this PPT to all. Okay, so revise it again. Okay students, so bye, take care.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.